Growing up ugly is crazy because now whenever people flirt with me, I don't trust it. Because when I was a little kid, I got asked out by this girl, but her whole friend group was there when she did it. So I was like, oh, sick, a girl likes me? Heck yeah, I'll go out with you. But right after I said yes, she went, just kidding, and her whole friend group laughed. So from this point on, I had my guard up anytime a girl interacted with me. But then when I got to high school, I was kind of shy, but this one girl would always go out of her way to have conversations with me. And she would laugh at almost everything I said, even when it wasn't funny. So I was like, okay, what trick is this girl trying to pull on me? But then one day, this guy in our class was like, dude, why don't you ask her out? And I said, what are you talking about? Then he was like, well, she clearly likes you. So I was like, oh, I see what's going on here. You guys are pulling a prank on me. So I just stopped talking to her completely so I wouldn't get embarrassed. But then last week, I randomly saw her and she was like, yeah, I totally had a crush on you in high school. But it's too late now because she's engaged and I still have nothing.